Hey readers, I was reading some very interesting articles in the news lately and I noticed how the title of this article caught my attention. I want to read more to find out answers to my questions. Many times authors of informational books are giving us facts about a topic. Other times authors write to tell us what they think or believe about something. Then, as a reader, we can look for reasons that support the points an author wants to make. Today, I want to teach you how to identify reasons that support an author's points in a text. One way we can do this is by noticing what the author thinks about a topic. Then we'll look for a part that tells why the author thinks that, and this will help us have a better understanding of what the author wants to inform us about a specific topic. This article, called A Life-Saving Drone, caught my attention because it made me wonder how a drone can save lives. Let's read to see what the author thinks about drones. Drones can save lives. The drone in this picture is a zip-line drone. It is being launched. A zip-line drone carries medical supplies. It takes them to people who are sick and far from help. A young girl in Africa was very ill. She needed new blood to get better. It would take hours to send the blood by car. Time was running out, so Zipline carried blood to the girl. It took only 6 minutes for the drone to fly to the hospital. The girl got better. The drone saved her life. Wow. I noticed the author thinks that drones can be important to save lives. Now I want to look for a part that explains why the author thinks that. Let me look back at what I just read. Wow. Right here, readers, it says a young girl in Africa was very ill and she needed new blood to get better. When a drone was used to get the medicine to the sick girl, it got there fast. And the girl got better. So I think the sentence that explains why the author thinks drones can save lives is it says, it would take hours to send the blood by car. Time was running out. It took only 6 minutes for the drone to fly to the hospital. The girl got better. Wow. I'm going to highlight that part because I think that is the part of the text that explains why the author thinks drones can save lives. When authors share information, they give more than one reason to make their point. See if you can find another sentence that explains why drones can be important to save lives. Turn and tell your buddy if you find another sentence why the author thinks drones are important to save lives. Good job, readers. Did you say the girl got better? The drone saved her life? Be on the lookout today for books where the author is trying to make a point about something or telling you what they think about something. You can notice what the author thinks about a topic and then look for the part that explains why the author thinks that.